How to create a Slack chatbot to answer my clients. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Open Slack and go to the Apps section to search for chatbot building tools like ChatGPT, Dialogflow, or BotPress. 2. Choose a chatbot tool and integrate it with Slack by following the installation instructions. 3. Configure the chatbot's responses based on your client's common questions, ensuring it provides helpful and accurate answers. 4th, set up automated triggers to make the chatbot respond when certain keywords or phrases are mentioned in the channel. Test the chatbot by asking common questions to see how well it performs and adjust its responses as needed. 6. If needed, add AI capabilities to the chatbot for better natural language understanding. 7. Once finalized, introduce the chatbot to your clients and encourage them to use it for faster support.